Hey guys, it's Elizabeth from Dairy Green Moments, and today we are making tomato soup. Alright, this is only going to take a few ingredients, but the star of this dish is a little bit of Young Living essential oil, the Vitality essential oil called rosemary, and I think I have it down here. Sorry, my cabinets are open back there, but I have some rosemary Vitality. So you want to make sure we're only using 1 drop at a time, and you also want to make sure that you're not using just any old willy-nilly essential oil. You want to make sure you're using Young Living Vitality because you don't want to be putting questionable essential oils in your system. So if you're ingesting or diffusing or applying your essential oils, make sure you're using the very best. Young Living has a seed to seal guarantee. You can read about it online or you can ask me about it. And if you want some essential oils, I can help you get started. But don't just use any essential oil for the soup. Use some Young Living. But 1 drop of Vitality is going to change the soup. It's going to be so yummy. So let me show you what we're going to need. So for this recipe, you're going to need some tomatoes, some basil leaves. We're going to need 6 basil leaves, 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1 to 2 drops of rosemary Vitality essential oil, not much more than that. And then also you're going to need 1/3 cup of half and half or heavy cream. And then we also need 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And we're gonna add that into my amazing Ninja blender. I wanna call it Ninja, but it's a Ninja blender. This thing has rocked my world, changed my life. It is a strong blender. So if you don't have a good blender, I will put a link down below to this awesome one. I've been doing quite a few recipe videos with this thing because I just love it so much. But you know, when I love something, I share it with you guys and tell you all about it. So let's do this. So we got our tomatoes in there. I got my basil leaves. We'll put those in there. All right, so I just dumped in the herbs and my 1 drop of rosemary essential oil. And now I'm going to do my cream. And let's see what this looks like. Okay, this is looking really yummy right from here. So let's just hit the release button and then we will take a look at my soup. Look at that, looks so good. So now we're just gonna heat it up on the stove until it's nice and ready. All right, now just waiting for it to heat up. I added a little bit of salt and pepper too, just to give it a little more flavor.